Good day, Mom. I am Chris Bertodaso from VSO Adwandi. I'm going to report about the case regarding human rights abuse. According to the article, South Africa decriminalized sex workers. Sex workers in South Africa face arrest, detention, harassment, and abuse from police, which also deters them from reporting rape or other brutal attacks. All over the world, Human Rights Watch and other rights groups find the same patterns of abuse where sex work is criminalized. South African law criminalizes both the sale and purchase of sex and other aspects of sex work. These prohibitions have not stopped many thousands of mostly poor and often black women in South Africa choosing sex work as their best available option. But arrest and detentions, fines, and sexual exploitation by the South African Police Service make this difficult work harder and more dangerous in a country suffering from high levels of violence against women. Why sex work should be decriminalized in South Africa describes how criminalization undermines efforts to end the HIV pandemic and access to health care for sex workers, how frequent harassment, arrest, and police detention keeps them from their families and their work, and how these vulnerable women have little access to justice when they experience rape, theft, and other crimes. Famous sex workers in South Africa interviewed for this report. Mostly single mothers with sometimes 6 or 7 dependents want their bodily autonomy and dignity respected, an end to police harassment, and safer places to work. Human Rights Watch calls on the South African government to fully decriminalize consensual adult sex work and to adopt an approach towards sex work that respects and protects the right of this vulnerable group and responds to their needs.